Let's see how to build a Facebook AI assistant for your business in just a few minutes using our free templates. So here I'm going to show how to set up this in just a few minutes. Here I'm in a demo account. First of all, if you are planning to build an AI assistant for your Facebook page, you will need to first connect your Facebook page right here. So to connect your Facebook page, go to settings, and in settings you have to go to the channels tabs over here and choose Facebook Messenger and click on connect. So you will need to simply log in with Facebook and choose whatever the Facebook page you want to connect, and once it is connected you will see your Facebook page right here. So here in Messenger you will see it. So here we have already connected a test or demo Chatbot media page right here. So this is the Facebook page we have connected right here. So we can see how to build an AI assistant for this particular page in just a few minutes. So here let's see how to build an AI assistant to handle the comments you receive on your Facebook page, and also let's see how to build an AI assistant to handle any sort of messages you receive on a Facebook page. So let's get started over here. So once you have connected your Facebook page, you will also need to connect your API keys as well. So for that, go to settings, and in settings choose OpenAI ChatGPT, and here you will see learn more. Click on learn more, where you can actually go to this particular guide, and here you can find a link to grab your API keys from the OpenAI account. So you can simply go to this exact link and create a new secret key and connect it on our platform. So once it is done, you can actually build chatbots based on ChatGPT OpenAI APIs. So let's see how to build this one right here. So first of all, let me go to the flow section over here, because in the flow section you can find all the free templates. So here in flows, choose all free templates right here, and here you have the free templates. So you can actually use AI chatbot lead generation plus customer support template over here. And for the comments automation, so whenever a particular customer add a comments, if you want to reply to that using AI, you can actually use the comment automation template where it says AI comment replies FP and IG. So let's work on using this one, AI chatbot lead generation plus customer support, to automate any sort of messages sent to your Facebook page. So let me first duplicate this one right here. So click on duplicate, so you can actually keep the original as it is. So let me duplicate this one over here. So now it's duplicated. So let me actually rename this one as demo FB AI assistant, and here you have to simply open this one over here. So let me open that particular flow, and here you have the instructions on how to use this one. So here you will have to simply edit the business information about your own company. So here in business prompt company information, we have some information about a Smile Center for Kids. So this simply works for any business. So you have to simply update whatever the information about your business, such as what sort of services you provide, the pricing information, contact information, and any details about the frequently asked questions, and also any other details you want to provide over here. And based on whatever the information you have provided over here, the AI will use and respond accordingly. So here, since we have some information about this particular company, Smile Center for Kids, I'm going to simply use this one as it is, since this is just a demo. So here in your case, you have to actually update or replace this information right here, simple as that. And once it is done, you have to simply click on publish. All right, and you have to go back to settings over here. So in settings, go to general, and in default reply you have to choose the flow you just created or flow you just duplicated and updated the business information, which is demo FB AI assistant. Save it, and also make sure in integrations this one is switched off as well. All right, so that's already switched off, and here we have activated this one. So now onwards, the chatbot will be able to handle the DMs or messages sent right here. So here let me do the test over here. So let me actually choose none over here, default reply none, and save it. All right, so now if I send a message right here, so let me send a message over here, and let me say hi. So now if I activate this one over here, demo FB AI assistant, and click save, and now if I send a message right here, we should receive a response from the AI. and it's typing, and it says, hello, how can I assist you today at Smile Center for Kids? So it simply works when you ask any sort of questions about this business. So let me ask, what services do you provide, and can you send some information on the pricing as well? So here I'm setting this sort of question, and it simply responds, we provide preventive care, dentistry and this sort of services for the children, and also for detailed pricing information please contact our office directly at this one. So here it says to contact this office directly, because I think the pricing information is not in this particular business prompt. So here let me look at this one. Yeah, we don't have any sort of pricing information provided, so that's why it simply asked the customer to contact directly or something like that. So they actually closed on Saturdays. So let me ask one more question over here. What are your opening hours on Saturday? So let me send this question and let's see what happens over here. Our office is closed on Saturdays. Simple as that. As you can see, it simply respond to any sort of messages we sent right here, and this has the capability to transfer this conversation to an agent as well. Now you have seen how to automate the messages you receive on the Facebook page. So now let's see how to automate the comments you receive for your Facebook post or reels over here. So here that is pretty much easy. So we are going to again use the free template. So here in the all free templates you have the option of comments automation. So in the comments automation folder you have this one, AI comment replies FB and IG template. So this simply works for the Facebook and Instagram as well. So let me duplicate this one and rename this one and use it, so you can actually keep the original as it is. So let me rename this one as FB demo AI comment replies and click continue. So let me open this one over here. So here you have to simply update the business information about your specific business. So this one we have some information about some other plumbing solutions over here. So you can simply use the same business information you use for the this particular flow. So let me go to the flow section over here, and here in the all free templates we used business information about a Smile Center for this automating the messages on the Facebook page. So let me open this one and we can simply use the same business information you use over there as well. So here if I simply use copy this one and paste it over here. So here paste it. All right, and here you can rename this one as you are a helpful assistant to this particular Smile Center for Kids, respond to customers question in just 1 to 2 sentences. All right, and click continue, and also you can publish as well. So now you have to simply create a Facebook comment automation trigger to use this particular AI prompt we just created. So go to auto marketing over here. So in auto marketing you have the option Facebook comments automation. Open it. So here let's create one, and let's say all comments and click continue. So since we want to automate the comments on all the posts and reels, you can simply choose all post and private reply to comment. So here in this case we are not going to send any sort of private messages when they actually comment, so you can simply choose none over here. And for the public comment reply we want to choose the flow, because we want to add a public comment replies to whatever the comments they post using the business information right here. So this is the flow name, FB demo AI comment replies. So let me choose that one over here, FB demo AI comment replies. All right, and here you can also choose all comments. So even if they comment anything over there, it simply use AI to respond to them right there, and you can keep as it is, and you can also delay these comments as well. For now let's choose immediately and click save. So let me make sure to activate this one so it can simply works as well. So now if I open the Facebook page and add a comment over here, it simply works. So let's see what sort of comments we are going to add over here. So let me check out the business information over here, and so let's ask about how often should my child visit the dentist. So let me add the comment over here as this person. So let me add this comment, how often should my child visit the dentist. And if I refresh this page, we should see the comment reply there, and it says Children should visit dentist every 6 months or for a routine checkup and cleaning. Simple as that. So likewise, you can actually ask any sort of questions over here, and it simply will respond to them right here. So let me add a comment again over here. So let's choose a different post, and let's ask, what are your opening hours and where are you located? So here I added a comment, what are your opening hours and where are you located? And let's see what sort of response we got over here. So let me refresh the page over here and let me scroll down over here, and it says our office hours are from this one and we are located at this particular area. Simple as that. So likewise, it simply works based on whatever the information you update in the business prompt or over here. You can easily customize this one for your own business as well. So that's a quick way to build your own AI chatbot or assistant on your Facebook page. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.